Absolutely not, and I think that's like one of the USPs of the University of Cumbria, especially on my course, sports rehabilitation. We have the clinic room, and I think there was 15 people in my seminar. The lecturer knew absolutely everyone's names, so it was a really good working environment.
Since I've been here, I've been in the lecture theatre maybe about 5-6 times.
A large amount of time in lectures aren't really present in my personal degree. There's a lot of seminars and practicals to help you learn.
For every lecture we always have at least an hour or two of practicals because I'm more of a hands-on learner. I don't like sitting around in a stuffy theatre. Their rooms are open and friendly. It's more like a classroom than a lecture theatre.